So, here's a question. Why is your drawer full of creams, but your skin still feels kinda meh? You paid $50 for that wrinkle eraser, and all it did was make your pillow greasy. Most creams, they're like watering a tree by misting the leaves during a drought. Looks nice, does nothing for the roots. See, your skin isn't a sponge. It's picky, protected by barriers. It's like trying to sneak past airport security with a full bottle of lotion. Not happening. Those glossy jars with hydration boost and active peptides, they often just sit on top. No deep action, no real change, just makeup pretending to be medicine. But what if real results came from your fridge, not a fancy label? Something cheap, but skin actually recognizes it. You don't need a $300 serum. You just need the right signal. Something your skin reads as food, not perfume in a jar. So yeah, if your creams haven't worked, don't blame your skin. It's not lazy. It's just waiting for something real. Here's where it gets wild. The thing that tightens your face better than half the creams out there, it's in your fridge. And yeah, it's just egg white. Crack it, whisk it, and smooth it on like icing a delicate cake. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. It dries. That can't smile, full lift kind of dry. That's the trick. The tightening is like a mini gym workout for your pores. Everything's pulled in, lifted, and your skin feels like it just had an espresso shot. The shine? Not greasy. More like, did you just have a facial kind of glow? And if you've got dark marks or old breakouts, it helps fade them slowly, like a built-in filter. So yeah, no acids, no mystery formulas, just a humble egg white. Lifting, brightening, smoothing, like a skincare ninja. Here's the twist nobody expects. That golden middle we usually toss, it's actually the real skincare MVP. Yep, the yolk. Creamy, rich, packed with skin fuel. While the white lifts and tightens, the yolk feeds your skin with vitamins A, D, E, K, and choline. It's a full-on nutrient buffet. Most people don't get enough vitamin A, and your face shows it. Dullness, rough texture, that tired look. But when you use a little yolk, your skin recognizes it. It's real food, not lab stuff. It hydrates, heals, and brings back that bounce you thought was gone. So, next time you do an egg white mask, don't toss the yolk. Let the white tighten and the yolk repair. One part lifts, the other restores. Teamwork in a shell. Sounds weird, right? Yogurt on your face? But this creamy spoonful isn't just for your gut. Your skin's got its own ecosystem, a bacterial party. When it's off balance from stress, junk food, or over-cleansing, you get the red dots, dry patches, and random itchiness. Plain, unsweetened yogurt feeds the good guys and quiets the troublemakers. Mix it with egg white and yolk, and you've got the world's cheapest skin smoothie.
Just skip the flavored stuff. Vanilla, mango, whatever. That sugar feeds the wrong bacteria, and your skin won't be happy.
1 teaspoon with your egg blend, once or twice a week. Congrats, you're your own skin pharmacist. Smooth it on, let the good bugs party. Rinse off, done. So you're smearing egg on your face, cool. But what if the real magic starts when you eat it? We've been taught skincare happens in the bathroom. Masks, toners, lasers. But truth is, skin's built in the kitchen. Eggs are a full skincare kit in a shell. Protein, omega-3s, vitamins A, D, E, K, zinc, selenium, biotin. Everything your skin's been craving. I eat 4 a day. Scrambled, boiled, whatever. It's like sending construction workers straight to the job site. And don't stress about cholesterol. Unless you've got rare genetics, your body handles it fine. What matters is nutrient delivery, and eggs deliver. So, yeah, face masks are fun, but what goes in shows up. Sometimes right in the mirror. Eat the yolk, eat the white, and your moisturizer might finally get a break. So you're eating more eggs. Great! But here's what nobody tells you. How you cook them matters. A lot. Those seed oils, Corn, soybean, canola look harmless, but they're not. Heat them up and boom. Oxidized fats, free radicals, little chemical fires inside your body. It's like trying to clean your face while rolling in dirt. No matter how nutrient-packed your eggs are, if you're cooking them in junk oil, you're undoing your glow-up. Use butter, olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee instead, the stable fats that play nice with heat. Bottom line, if your skin's acting up and everything else seems fine, check your frying pan. Here's the deal. Most people pick one team. Either they're layering serums like frosting a cake, or popping supplements like it's training season. But the real skin magic? It happens when you do both. Your skin's a window. What you put on the glass matters, but what's happening inside the house sets the vibe.
Some try to fix breakouts with expensive creams while living on seed oils. Others eat perfectly but scrub their face raw.
Both miss the point. Balance is everything. Light touch on the outside, real food on the inside, sync them up, and suddenly people stop asking what serum you use and start asking if you just got back from vacation. Turns out glowing skin doesn't need a $90 bottle or a 10-step routine. Sometimes it's just a whisked up egg, a spoon of yogurt, and a bit of curiosity. No gold packaging, no sponsor. Just real stuff your skin actually recognizes. 1 part tightens, 1 part feeds, and the eating part tells your body, hey, we've got what we need. Add the mask, eat the eggs, skip the junk oils, and your skin might finally look like it caught up on sleep. Try it once or twice a week, and when it works, you'll know it wasn't magic. It was just biology doing its job.